Hi guys, in this video I will be explaining that how to see Reels history on Facebook. The process is straightforward and effortless. Make sure your Facebook app is up to date and then open the Facebook application. After it opens, tap on these three lines which are attached with your profile picture. And from here tap on this setting icon which is on the right top. Now scroll down and in your activity you can see the option on the first number, activity log. Tap on it. Here you can see public posts, public tags, story activity. Simply swipe this line to the left side. And here is the option videos watched. Tap on it. Here you can see your Reels history as well as videos history. Means your videos and Reels which you watched on Facebook will be shown here. So it was the basic way by which you can check your Reels history on Facebook.